Scammers can find your phone numbers and address, so turn this off. Have you ever wondered how scammers seem to know so much about you? Sometimes they're going to know your name, sometimes they know your phone number, and occasionally they even know where you live. Now, most people assume that they've been hacked, but in many cases, the information was not stolen directly from their phone at all. Instead, it was exposed through privacy settings, public profiles, data sharing features, then on information that was already available online. Now in this video, I'll show you one important setting that you should review along with several privacy controls that can help reduce how easily your personal info is discovered and shared. So firstly, let's clear up a common misconception. Scammers usually don't obtain your address and phone number by magically accessing your device. Mostly, they're different data breaches, public records, social media profiles, people search websites, contact syncing services, and marketing databases. One important setting to review is going to be contact discovery and find me by iPhone number. Many services allow other users to find your account using your phone number. So examples can include your social media, okay, then could be your messaging apps, professional networking platforms. When enabled, this feature can make it easier for people to locate your profile. So if you don't need this functionality, consider limiting or disabling it where available. So go over to your messaging apps or anything, or let's say in my case, my social media, and you can go over to your profile, and right here, you can check if there are any phone numbers available. Now, personally, I have not added any phone number in my account, okay? But you can still confirm that by going over to your account's settings and going to the Meta Account Center. Now, once we go to the Meta Accounts Center, what's going to happen over here is in the account settings tab, we're going to go ahead and find all of this, okay? And right here in your contact info, if your phone number is there, you can go ahead and have it removed. So removing these things will lead to scammers not being able to see your personal info. Scammers often find personal info through data sharing, public profiles, contact discovery, and information already available online, not because they secretly accessed your phone. So by reviewing phone number discoverability, settings, limiting contact syncing, tightening social media privacy controls, and reducing unnecessary public info, you can make it much harder for others to connect your phone number, address, and online identity. Privacy is not about becoming invisible. It is about deciding who gets access to your info and who doesn't. So take a few minutes today to review your privacy settings. Future, you will be glad that you did. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.